Oh my god, no, it's going all the way down, bro. Oh my god, we just need a little bounce back. The 360k to buy that brand new trap house, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, the buyers. I know you guys got it, man. Okay, fuck it, bro. I think I'm just gonna remove liquidity. Alright, what you do, go straight back to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Come on, bro, hurry up. And then boom, we just made. My Phantom wallet's been going wild. I've racked up over $678,000 this month just launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Don't click away, I'm about to break it all down. Bro, I know you clicked on this video for one reason and one reason only, to make generational wealth, if you please. Now this method I'm about to show you is the easiest way to make it in 2025 with meme coins. And all we do is we create meme coins from scratch here, we wait for buyers, and then we sell. Easy as that. And look at this coin, for example. It is pumping, and it is pumping, but the people inside this coin probably don't know it yet, but they're going to be rugged. That's the sad reality of it. But that's why you guys need to stop being in these coins. Look at this, everyone is buying, but I'm telling you guys, in 10 to 15 minutes it will have hit less than 30k in market cap, and it will all go away. This is why in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step tutorial on how you will make it out for yourself and possibly create life-changing money, creating fuck you money, bro. You never know. You guys need to keep a positive mindset to make it, bro. I'm telling you guys, this is the only way to truly make it in 2025. Can't repeat this enough, bro. Don't want anyone losing their money, bro. I just want y'all to be able to create y'all meme coins and make it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on Coinlabs.Fun, and this website we will be able to create hundreds of meme coins. And the thing that is great about this is that it's fully repeatable and you can keep going until you feel satisfied enough. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. You guys are going to be using Coinlabs.Fun to creating your coins, the only legit website on YouTube in 2025. You guys will be able to launch a coin in seconds, bro. No coding required. If you guys don't know shit about coding, you don't have to, because this website does it all for you. Now the upsides to this, your coin gets put straight to the Raydium DEX. What is the Raydium DEX? It's basically the biggest liquidity pool for all the big coins, such as Doge, Dog with Hat, Peanut, D-Nut, every good meme coin out there. Now if you were to create your coin on Pump.Fun, there are so many downsides, it's endless. First, your coin gets put into this dumpster of an ocean of other dog shit ass coins, and you have to wait for your coin to hit $90,000 in market cap to move over to the Raydium DEX. Now we do not have time for that, bro. Your coin will hit 90,000, but then there is a bonding curve that you have to wait like 30 minutes to transfer the liquidity pool, so we do not have time for that at all. We want coins that are snappy, fast, get buyers instantly. The way you guys are going to be making quick ass profit, possibly thousands, is by going on the copy trending coins tab on Coinlabs.Fun. Now what this tab does is it goes through thousands of coins on Bullex, on Photon, on Pump.Fun, and it finds the one that are proven to making sales, proven to getting a ton of buys. Now if we look, I have 3 golden rules, 3 strategies on which coin you guys should click, which coin you guys should create. Now the best thing is that it takes 1 click. Click here and make thousands. Now look, now my first golden rule is to find a coin that has a market cap of over $30,000. Now it is pretty easy. Half of these coins have a market cap over 30,000. Pretty easy. Second rule, it has to have a good narrative, a narrative that is up to date with what's going on right now. And the last rule is that when you refresh, your coin has to have at least a buy in the last 15 seconds or else it is slowing down. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're going to create a coin right now. We're going to refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. I'm just gonna write my password. Now Don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, all right. Now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%, and then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.